And I'm back. Again, we're working on Lesson 2 workbook packet. I'm up to the drills now. So if you've watched part 1, you were with me through what case is the direct object accusative. Now we're going to move to the bottom of that page and look at the drills. For each of these sections, you can always pause me. I'll go through a couple more, and then you can start the video again and check your answers for the rest of the ones that I did. So underline the English word groups which correctly translate the Latin verbs. Portamos, portamos. First thing I noticed is that following the stem verb a, I have mus. Mus tells me we. Can't be you, can't be I. We are carrying. Porto, portare, to carry. Amant. Again, I see my stem a followed by the ending nt tells me they. Now, this time I have two theys. I have they love or they are loved. Oh, so this is the active voice. They love something. The subjects are doing the loving, and whatever is being loved is the direct object. We don't know what they're loving yet. But here, this is passive. They are the ones being loved. They're receiving the action of that verb. That's a passive verb. They are being loved by their dog when he licks them all over his face. The dog is the one that's actually doing the loving there. So here, active voice, they love. Spectat, spectat. I recognize that T is my ending following the A stem vowel. I'm looking for he, she, it, or a singular noun. He, she, oh, can't be they. He is looking at. She looked at. Present, past. We're only dealing in present. It's got to be he. So if you're going to pause, I'd pause your video now, and then I'll take you quickly through the rest of them. Okay, we're back. Pugnatus, you are fighting. Laudas, you singular praise. Parant, they are preparing. Occupat, he is seizing. Now we go, I sail. Now, let's look at the second drill. This time we're going in the reverse order. Underline the Latin word which correctly translates the group of English words. So, we praise. Praise is laudo, and then I need a mus for the we, right? Laudamos, laudamos. I circled. I know it says underline, but I guess I'm a rebel because I've been circling them all. Circle, underline, we can get through it. I am looking at. This is all one verb. This verb of being here, remember we talked about I am, you are, he, she, or it is. This is not that. This is just a helping verb. It's letting me know it's a present tense. So I have O, T, or mus. Mus is we, T, he, she, or it. O is I. I am looking at. Specto, spectare. Specto, I love. Again, if you want to pause, do the next few on your own. Then I'll run quickly through them to tell you the answer. Now would be the pause point. Okay, let's see. You fight. Going you singular, I don't see a you plural there. Pugnas. She prepares. Parat. You carry. This one's the plural. Portatis. Portatis. They are giving. Dant. Dant. Drill number 3. Write the Latin equivalent of each expression below. So same as drill 2, except now I have to come up with it in my brain. They're not giving me ones to choose from. Amo, amari, my base, ama. He is my third singular person. O or M, S, T is third singular, amat. You singular, call. Call is woko, wokari. You singular, long A, S, wokas, wokas. We praise, laudo, laudari. I need we. O or M, S, T. First plural is mus, laudamos, laudamos. They are calling. Woko, wokari again. My stem is woka. I'm going to reserve that long mark. Because it's they, I know it's third person, plural. I do not keep the long mark for third person, plural. So I have wokant, wokant. If you want to pause here to finish, I'll read you the rest of them. Okay, so for you, plural, love, amo, amari. My stem is ama. My ending is tis for you, plural. Amatis, amatis. We prepare, paro, parare, to prepare. Para, the stem. Mus, the ending. Paramos, paramos. I look at, specto, spectari. First principal part is first person, specto, specto. He is seizing. First I look up seizing, occupo, occupari, take, seize, capture. I use my third person singular ending, occupat, occupat. Remember, we're cutting off the RE to form our base, so it's an A before the ending, not an O, an A. Okay, next drill. Supply the proper verb for the sentence given below. First, you must determine the subject and the meaning of the sentence as a whole. So what have I got in my first one? Poetai, vitam agricolae, love. Okay, so I have poetai could be my plural nominative subject, vitam, life, accusative direct object, agricolae, I don't have giving, showing, or telling, so no dative. I can't have two subjects. Well, there's a place where I could without an and, but we don't know that yet, so I'm not even going to explain it. But our genitive question, this noun could own that noun. It sits next to it. It's a potential genitive ending. So why this one owning that one, not that one owning that one? Because if there's any chance of misunderstanding, we lead with the subject and we only allow the genitive to touch the noun it could be possessing. So for that to be true, poetai's the subject, vitam's the direct object, and agricolae owns the vitam. I need a love to go with that poet. Amo, amari, ama, I've cut off my re for my base, and then I add nt for my third person plural verb ending. Poetai, the poets, amant, love, the life, vitam, of the farmer. Poets love the life of a farmer. Let's look at the next one. Femina, nominative subject, praises the girls. Accusative plural direct object. My verb for praise, laudo, laudare. I know since I don't have I praise that I'm going to use my present stem, laudare minus the RE. I'm going to reserve that long mark until I know if I have a first or second person ending. I'm looking at femina. Ooh, singular nominative. I'm going to use third person singular verb ending. O or M, S, T is my third singular. Laudat. Femina puellas laudat. The woman praises the girls. Agricolae, non fight. Okay, my verb for fighting is pugno, pugnare. I'm not fighting, so my stem is going to be pugna. My agricolae tells me plural nominative, so I need a third person plural verb ending. O or M, S, T, mus, tis, nt is my third person plural verb. The farmers do not fight. Next one, feminam. Feminam tells me it's accusative, singular. That's my direct object. I haven't even seen a subject yet. Let's look at our verb, and here it tells me that my verb is we call. We call. So my ending is going to include my pronoun subject. To call is woko, wokari. My present stem is woka. My first person plural, personal ending, meaning we, O or M, ST, mus, tis, NT, mus is my first person plural, and I retain my long mark. Feminam vocamus, we call the women. We call the women. I have another accusative, singular, direct object. I look at my verb. I have used singular, look at. I look up the verb to look at. I find specto, spectare. I need my U singular ending. O or M, S is second person singular, and I retain that long mark. Spectas, aquam spectas. You are looking at the water. You watch the water. You watch the water. If you want to pause now and finish the others, I'll read them out to you. Here we go. Literas parat, agricolam laudo, agricola aquam dat, agricola aquam dat, puellas spectamus, puellas spectamus, poetae naturam laudant, poetae naturam laudant. Okay, we've got one more section, and I'm just shy of 14 minutes. Let's see what we can get done in the final minute of this video. Now we're translating Latin to English. The verb forms have all been supplied. Let's see what we've got. Agricolae, plural, nominative, possible subject. Let's see if our verb supports it. NT, third person plural. Yes, that can work together. The farmers fight. What have we got left? In Gallia. In Gallia tells us where they fight. The farmers fight in Gaul. Now, if I meant the farmers in Gaul fight, like the farmers who are from Gaul, and I really wanted to emphasize that it isn't just that they're fighting there, but that they're from there, I would say the farmers of Gaul fight. Agricolae Galliae of Gaul. Pugnant. Litteras feminae laudamus. Mus is my subject, right? We, what are we doing? Laudo, we praise. Who are we praising or what? To answer who or what we verb, we need to find our accusative, direct object. Litteras. Now, it's plural, but remember, plural letter is the written letter. We praise the letter of the woman. We could also say we praise the woman's letter. We praise the woman's letter. Now I'm up over 16 minutes. I will read the last couple to you. You can pause here, but I'm going to read them, so better pause quick. The women love the girls. The farmers seize the province in Gaul. You fight, but we do not fight. That's it. 16 minutes, I'm done.